Hey there homeowners, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a super important topic to dive into, electrical grounding and bonding. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple terms so you'll feel like an electrical pro by the end of this video. I'm Justus Marnin, your trusted guide from Golden Rule. First things first, what's electrical grounding, you ask? Well, think of it as your home's electrical safety net. It's like wearing a helmet when you're riding a bike. Electrical grounding or earthing connects your electrical stuff to the earth. It provides a safe path for electrical current to escape if something goes wrong, like preventing shocks and fires. There's also electrical bonding, which is like a secret agent of electrical safety. It ensures all conductive materials in your home are on the same electrical page, so they don't end up doing the electric boogie dance, causing trouble. And now, the big question we often get is, can I tie the neutral and ground together? The short answer is no. These two serve different purposes. The neutral carries electricity back to its source, while the ground is there for safety. Mixing them up can be a real no-no and may even break electrical codes. So keep them separate and properly bonded for everyone's safety. Now let's take a peek at the key players in your home's grounding and bonding squad. Grounding electrode system. Think of it as the squad leader. It includes things like ground rods buried near your home. They make sure any stray electrical current has a safe place to go. Grounding conductors. These are the connectors, like extension cords for electricity, ensuring all your devices are grounded. Bonding jumpers. These are like the peacekeepers, making sure all your metal stuff from your electrical panels to pipes are in sync electrically. So, how do you know if your electrical system is groovy or needs some attention? Keep an eye out for these signs. Lights flickering or dimming, frequent tripping breakers or blown fuses, weird electrical malfunctions, burn marks on outlets or switches, electrical shock or tingling sensations. If you spot any of these, it's time to take action. Don't worry, you don't always need to be an electrician to do some basic checks. Here are some you can do. Turn off the power to be super safe. Make sure all connections are tight and secure. Use a multimeter or ground resistance tester to measure resistance between your ground and your electrical panel. A low resistance value is a good sign. Check continuity between metal components for proper bonding. But remember, sometimes it's best to call the pros from Golden Rule. When should you do that? Well, if you find significant grounding or bonding issues, or you're just not sure about your electrical system's safety, it's best to get an expert's opinion. We'll know what to do. And lastly, always play by the rules. Electrical codes and regulations are there to keep everyone safe. Make sure your electrical work follows these rules. When in doubt, call a qualified electrician to make sure everything's up to snuff. Remember, your home's electrical safety is crucial, so stay informed and proactive. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome homeowner tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.